How can depth healing help repair or improve? Depth healing will help repair and improve and even fully heal relationships. I have for thousands of people by going in and removing the hurts. The hurts between people comes from our perceptions. Our perceptions are from the way we grew up and how the subconscious is formed. So it's uh, when we're in relationship with each other, that is how we grow. The most important thing there is our relationships. The most important of all the relationships is mom and dad. Next most important is your spouse or your significant partner, and then everybody else, family, friends, everything. And we're all mirrors for each other because there's only one uh, person or one being, and we're all just like, for instance, sort of an analogy. If we think of you and you're made out of 70 trillion cells or 50 trillion, whatever the number is, and all of those little cells are in relationship with everybody else, but there's only the one you. So there's only one humanity, one being. The key is one. And the relationships, all of us, we're mirrors for each other. What I do when there's a trouble is go in and find out why. What is the interference? Where is the injury? What is the perception? And then I remove it. As I remove it, the person's perception opens, their heart opens, their compassion grows, their understanding gets higher. That's why, in my process, when I was a younger man in my 40s, I was heavily, 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 heavily judgmental. And, I went through so many stages. Now, since the 81,000, I've been in the 81,000 4 years, and it's a very intense process. And all my inner dialogue has changed. The inner dialogue is the exact mirror of what's going on in any one of us, and it controls your life because it's the gas pedal on our perceptions, and all that was transformed for me. It's a long process, and I have divine intervention for me. Plus, I had I don't know how many years of removing cognitive dissonance for me to get there. When we remove cognitive dissonance, it's improving your communication channel with your divine, with the universe, with your higher self and higher intelligence. That's one of the reasons it's so important. It's not just a repair shop for individual things or issues. It's a vehicle of human evolution. Am I making sense? Did I answer that question?